Friends and family, welcome to another video. This is my very first video of the year 2020. This year, I have a whole lot of plans. I want to do more investments. I want to expand my channel, get better as a person, as a human being, increase my faith and dependency in God, because God knows this world is going to hell in a handbasket. Okay. And just build strength, inner strength, so that I can endure anything and everything that comes my way. I have done a lot of reflection, and I feel like I'm an okay person, but I want to take it to the next level. So welcome to 2020. Welcome back. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We're going to do some amazing new things on this channel this year. The very first thing, I want to make sure that I expand my audience for my YouTube channel. I want to make sure it is reaching a wider audience, men, women, young, old, all of us. That's why I have changed the name of the channel. For now, the name of the channel is All Things Life. However, I may change it again. Okay, listen. The only thing that is constant is change. So, welcome to change. So we're in February. Yes, it took me this long to create my first new video for the year. And it is Black History Month. It says, I am Black History. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Today I want to show you the new kit that I got that I'll be using for my YouTube videos. I don't want to depend on the weather to film a video, because right now that's what I do. If it's dark and cloudy, I don't want to film a video because you can't see much, and it's just the quality doesn't look good. So I've done a lot of research, and I'm of course trying to find the most frugal equipment, okay, because I need to save my coins. Okay, so I got this ring light kit from Amazon. It's less than $100, and I bought it because with all the reviews and all the advice and the different methods of trying to improve your video quality that I looked at and read and listened to, basically your lighting is number one. You may have the best camera, but if your lighting is not good, it won't come through as a good video. The quality will lack. So I decided, instead of buying a new camera, which had been on my Christmas list, I was going to invest in buying this ring light kit. I already took it out of the box, but I'll show you exactly what it looks like and the things that come with it, so that if you're trying to improve your channel as well, listen, let's do this together, okay? Let's just jump on that bandwagon and let's improve our channels and our video qualities and whatever we take videos for. So here we go. So these are the contents of the package when I received them. There's a stand and a little contraption to put on top of it. Here's the bag that has the ring light right there. And you see the part of the ring light that sits on that stand. And then there was this box in there as well. And this box has a few other items in there. So you see the instructions there. You have the power cord, power cable. You have this contraption that you have to add to the stand. And then you also have the cover for the ring light, which is the orange one that I'm holding. You have a phone holder. You have a remote control, and then this white light cover as well. Here are the instructions, and then this is a list of items, the packing list in there. And then of course they have to advertise themselves, how wonderful they are, or the name of their company is Neewer, and that is the slip that came in there. So setting up the stand, it's a little different from what I'm used to. It seems like it was inside out, but that's how it was. So you flip it inside out, you tighten it, and then you want to start setting up the ring light itself. So you want to snap on the filters that they gave you. I'm trying the orange light because I think that will give me a warmer light, more like sunlight. So you want to make sure that the flat edges align. The one is
over the other one, so you want to align them properly. The last one was a little difficult to put in because you want to make sure the space is there for that size. So I had to struggle with it a little bit, but it worked eventually. You just have to have patience. And so I got that in eventually. The stand is pretty tall. It has several sections that you can stretch up. So you just want to make sure that you tighten those, the winding thing. You want to tighten it up so that it doesn't slip back down. And then this is the contraption that the light actually sits on. And if you look inside, that is the part that tightens the ring light to the stand. So you want to wind it backwards so that that contraption goes all the way out. And then you put that on the stand. And then you want to make sure you tighten it. I know I didn't do it right there, but there you go. I think I dropped the contraption to tighten it. So you want to tighten it up. And then you want to make sure that you are ready to put that light on. They had a circular light thing in there, which I didn't have. I don't know if it was a light bulb or whatever. It didn't come with the package. But anyway, so you loosen the base of the ring light by twisting those knobs on the side. One of them lets it bend forward and backwards, and the other one opens up the space so you can set it on the contraption and then tighten it just like that. So you want to make sure that it is stable, it's really tight so it doesn't fall over when you put it on there. And the other thing is that you want to get your phone. This is a phone holder. If you're going to film with your phone, there's a contraption that goes with it. It has to sit on the back of the ring light. So you're going to see that slot there is made for it. You put it in the back, just slide it in right there, just like that. And you want to tighten the base of it so it won't move. After that, you flip this knob up so that you can set your phone holder on it. So if you need to slow this part down so you can see exactly what I did, just do that. And here's your phone. Of course, I had it backwards because a ring light should be facing the same direction as the phone. Here we go. Here we go. One day you're going to get it right. Yes, yes. Okay. So that is pretty simple. It just, the instructions weren't that great. Now we want to, of course, be able to turn the ring light on. So we connect the power and make sure that you attach that to the ring light from the source to the ring light. And that way you're able to turn the ring light on and off. The wonderful thing is it's not just on and off, but you can actually make it brighter or duller, just like that. And I think that is great. So you see how this is the brightest that it can be. And they also gave you this remote control.
And now I can shoot videos regardless of the weather. Yes! If it's gloomy, if it's cloudy, listen, I got work to do, okay? The instructions weren't that great, I'll tell you that. I found it tedious, but it didn't take me more than 30 minutes to set it up. So I guess all in all, sort of okay. I'm testing out my new ring light, same old camera, just the lighting. So this is without the ring light, with the ring light. Let's get brighter, brighter. Ooh, oh, oh. This is the white ring light. It's white, very white.
So now I have the flexibility of filming in different rooms, and as you can see, this is my new setup, and that's the ring light in the mirror behind me. So I am so excited. I have this flexibility now. Any kind of weather, any place, any room. So anyway, I hope you get yourself some. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.